everyone. So something I don't like is when people talk down on Walmart clothing. I live in an area where a lot of people are like, oh, I don't shop at Walmart. And then they're asking me where I got something for myself or my kids. And I'm always like, Walmart. Walmart has amazing finds and finds that will last you a long time. So today I'm going to be sharing some inexpensive finds at Walmart right now that are perfect for fall 2025. A lot of stores right now are bringing out their fall and Halloween items, and that's no different at Walmart.
Everything I'm sharing right now. Everything I'm sharing is numbered, so you can find it easily in the description box and comments.
They have the cutest designs. First off, this pumpkin spice latte design is absolutely adorable. This is from Way to Celebrate, and they have it in sizes extra small to 3XL. It is so soft. I love it, and you can wear the top with jeans out and about. People are still going to compliment you on it. I have worn these Way to Celebrate tops as just regular shirts lots of times, and I always get asked, oh, where did you get that shirt from? And I'm like, it's a pajama. Then they have like a vintage witch theme, so I really like the blue one that they have in right now, but they also have two different purple ones that you can choose from. These are so nice. They also have a cat one. They have like this football pink one if you're into that, and then they also have like a skeleton and a ghost. I'm not playing with you guys. I do wear them out and about as if they're not pajamas. I wear them in DIY videos, and I get comments like, where did you get that shirt from? And I'm like, it is technically a pajama, but you can wear it as a shirt, and they always get like such cute designs in for every single holiday.
I'll be sharing some more Halloween finds at the end of the video.
What's funny is I love coffee and latte themed clothing and decor, but I don't actually drink coffee. Let me know if you're a coffee drinker down in the comments below. Let's see what the majority of my audience is. But like, I just never been into it. I come from a Puerto Rican family, and Puerto Ricans love coffee. Me though, I'm just like, look, I don't want it. I don't know, it's something about it. When I was younger, I went to a funeral where they have free coffee. I was like 6 years old, and I drank a bunch, and I remember vomiting, so I don't know if I'm just scarred from that. I feel like a lot of ladies out there like a nice fall dress, especially if you're going to the pumpkin patch, you're gonna take some pictures. I found this pretty dress from Celebrity Pink. It's a long sleeve dress. It was $21.50. It comes in sizes extra small to 3XL. I like the color of it, very fall-like, and then the floral print that's on it as well. It's comfortable, very flowy and free underneath it. You can pair it with some like longer pants if you want to. You can pair it with leggings, whatever you like. And then I feel like almost any type of shoe can go with this, except gym shoes might look a little bit funny, but I'm somebody who would probably wear gym shoes with it because I'm not trying to be uncomfortable at the pumpkin patch. This is another affordable dress option. It's actually cheaper than the other one. It is this mini dress by No Boundaries. It retails for $13.98. And it comes in sizes extra small to 2XL.
Everything I'm sharing is numbered, so you can find it easily in the description box and comments.
I love a cardigan during fall. I got this one from Time and True. It is their lightweight cardigan. It retails for $14.98, and they carry it in sizes extra small to 4XL. Like I said, it's lightweight, so if you're looking for something thicker, this is not the cardigan for you. They do have it in more fall colors. They have like this burnt orange color and this wine color that I think is great for fall, and they also have it in camel suede and black. Next up, I got this dress from Time and True. It's their smocked woven dress. I got the black one. It's $22.98, but they do have some fall colors. They were just sold out in my size. So they have like an orange, kind of burnt orange one, and then a green one. Those two I think are perfect for fall. And then they have a black and a white one. It's available in sizes extra small to 4XL. I like that it's more fitted at the top, and then it kind of like puffs out a little bit at the bottom. I feel like you can pair this with some really nice jewelry, and you just would look very nice. And I like this classic black because I just feel like you can wear this pretty much anywhere and make it look great for that occasion. Like even at a wedding, I feel like you can make this work. I'm just telling you guys, don't shop at any store for pajamas except Walmart because the options are just so good. This is from Joyspun. It is these French terry sets. They're $21.98. I love the colors. Now I can just go out in this set and look like I'm wearing normal clothes. It does not look like a pajama, but it feels like a pajama. They are so soft. If you know anything about Joyspun pajamas, they are soft and the quality is amazing. The top alone, I could just wear with some jeans and call it a day. And again, I could just go straight to bed in this because it's so soft. They carry these in sizes extra small to 3X. I own the baby blue set and the olive set. They also have these in black, gray, dark iris, and Moroccan brown. Moroccan brown, I think, looks perfect for fall. It was just sold out when I looked on the website. However, Walmart is constantly bringing stock back in, so you can always click notify to be, or notify me when item is back in stock.
And I just found out you can buy this set, but with sweatpants instead of the shorts.
Another item I think that's perfect for fall is this Sofia Vergara jean jacket. It comes in sizes extra small to 4XL, and it was $25, which I think is a great price for a jean jacket. I love that it is oversized, and you can pair it with all different types of jeans and pants. I really, really like this. I always find it funny, the celebrities, these stores, collaborate with sometime. I feel like Sofia Vergara is like very random. Like I don't think of, I mean, she does have nice clothing that she wears, but it's just not who I think of. And then I know like Cole still collaborates with Lauren Conrad, is that her name, from The Hills, and Jessica Simpson is still going strong with her clothing line, which is so random. But yeah, I don't know, but I really do like this jean jacket. I honestly, Sofia Vergara, her clothing collection at Walmart, like has nice stuff in there consistently. So I'm a girl that really likes comfy clothing. I wore graphic t-shirts for like, I don't know, over 2 decades. I'm starting to go away from that, but I still love me some oversized clothing. I like stuff that is flowy, that covers up my belly. But I did find a bodysuit, and I am somebody who does like a nice bodysuit. I usually only wear them when I'm going out somewhere nice, and this is like one that's so pretty to me. It was only $15.50. It's by Steve Madden, and it comes in sizes extra, extra small to 3XL. Now it has the bodysuit underneath this. I know not everybody is a big fan of bodysuits, but what I like about them, it's more form-fitting. I don't have curves. Like I said, I'm Puerto Rican, but I miss the curve department. I don't know what happened. I don't got butt. I don't got boobs. I'm flat. So this looks nice on me. It makes me look like I got a little something. So you guys want to see my purse? Try not to get jealous. It's really like a backpack purse. Okay, so I have owned this for about 10 years now. Before I used it, just like normal, putting my makeup and my phone in there, and then eventually I had kids. I don't like carrying around the big bulky diaper bags, so I'll put a couple of diapers inside of here, a bottle, call it a day, and now it's turned into my movie theater bag, the bag that I use to sneak candy inside of the movie theater. It's falling apart, as you can see. The clasp right here, it broke. This thing doesn't even stay closed anymore, and I've still been using this, and I keep saying, I'm gonna go get a backpack. I'm gonna get another backpack. I never do. I end up in Ross, I look around, and I'm like, I don't really like any of this. I found something at Walmart that really caught my eye. I just like the way that it looks. It's by Steve Madden. It's fake leather. It does come with a little clip-on wallet on the side. It was $25. Now, I'm not just gonna use this to sneak candy inside of the movie theater. I do use it when we go to amusement parks to put a couple of diapers in there for Noelle, and then I'll just put like their water bottles and something smaller like this because I just don't like the backpacks. Okay guys, listen here. If there's any item in this haul that I'm highly going to recommend to you guys, I bought these last year. They're bringing them back in, and I love them so much. I own multiple ones of the same colors because this is pretty much what I lived in all last fall and winter. It is these oversized fleece sweaters from No Boundaries. They're $10.98. They come in sizes extra small to 2XL. I love these so much. I love the fit of them because, like I said, for the most part, I like to wear things that are a little bit larger. They cover up my belly. They're comfortable to be in. I really like the way that these look on me, and I like the fact that they are longer because I've told you guys this before, I bloat. So sometimes when I bloat, if I'm wearing something a little too short, it rises. It's also super soft because you can get like the Hanes fleece sweaters from Walmart, but after you wash them, the inside of them just kind of feel funny. It kind of feels like they're falling apart. I own them in all the colors that they have. So gray, pink, the mauve color, black. I love these sweaters and I highly recommend them, especially for the price. They are very good quality and they look like sweaters that you get from a different store like Urban Outfitters, Skims, not from Walmart. Let's talk about what I'm wearing. It's by Free Assembly. It is their textured sweater with puff sleeves. It comes in sizes extra small to 2XL and it retails for $22. I like this so much. I like the textured look of it. I really like the way also that it cuffs around my arm and around my stomach. I just like when it cuffs like that. And I actually ended up getting it because I recently was invited to a women in business conference, and then I had another one that was coming up and I didn't know what to wear. I asked my friend who had been, and she was like, people like to dress up. So I wore a dress and I was overdressed. I felt like a lot of women had like shirts that look like this and they had like black pants on, so more like business casual. So I ended up getting this because I feel like I could wear this out and about during fall, at pickup to pick up my son, and then also to something a little bit more formal. So I don't know, something about it. I like it. I think it's just like the way that it looks like it's knitted. It's really nice. A lot of these clothes I'm pairing with these knit flats that I got from Walmart a couple of years ago. So these are now $17.98. They have memory foam in the inside. They are so nice, and they have them in different colors. So this is a tan one. They have it in black, pink, green, lots of different options to choose from. And they're available in sizes 6 to 11. Another stripe option that's less expensive than this is this Time and True pullover sweater. So it retails for $13.98. It comes in sizes extra small to 3XL. And they have them in other colors and then another stripe option. So they have them in just solid black. You can get it beige, gray, and then black and blue striped. And I ended up pairing this with these pants that I also got from Walmart. They are these No Boundaries wide leg jeans. I got the light wash. I found out that online they actually have a short option of this, so these are a little longer. If you're 5'4" like me, get the short option. I'm actually going to order it from online too. I really like these a lot, and they do have a medium wash as well, and they carry them in sizes extra small to 2XL. And it retails for $16.98. If you're 5'4" like me and shorter, or 5'5", you do have to wear something with a bit of a heel. So whether that be a boot, a heel itself, so that you're not stepping on the jeans, but you can always get the short one from online. So then you're not stepping on them and you can wear gym shoes if you want to. And if you're tall, there's a long version as well. The boots I'm wearing with this are the Chelsea boots by Walmart. They retail right now for $19.98. I swear I paid like $15 for these. I've owned them for 3 years now. These are so popular. They go viral every single year. They get sold out online, but then they come back in stock. You can find them inside of the store. These boots are so nice. Like I said, I've owned these for 3 years and I wear these the most out of all the boots that I own. You guys, I love this next product. Highly recommend getting it before it sells out. I just don't see them lasting long. It's by Avia, and it is their quarter knit pullover and their joggers. They're $17.98 each and come in sizes extra small to 4XL. They are so buttery soft. I love the fit of them. Super, super flowy. Now, they did accidentally send me a large for this gray one, but even the large look fine on me. I'm going to return it though and get something that fits me. They do run a little larger in size. I got mediums and I could have fit nicely inside of a small as well. So it just depends. Do you like something a little bigger or something a little bit more fitted? I love these though. Like, they look so nice. I have pullovers that I bought last year from Target and they are not as nice on this. And I got them on sale for, I think it was $20. Full price, I think was about 40. I don't remember. I got them during Christmas time. These ones though, I just think they're so nice. The quality is so nice and I just don't see them lasting long. Walmart also has in these No Boundaries fleece wide leg pants. They're $9.98. So these you can pair with those Avia pullovers if you don't want to buy the joggers that they have. They have these in a bunch of different colors and they actually went on sale on their website recently and I bought these and I already see a lot of them already sold out. They have them in a bunch of different colors and carry them in sizes extra small to 2XL. Please keep in mind that I'm sharing the prices I paid for these items. Sometimes Walmart.com prices are different from Walmart in-store prices. So again, just kind of keep that in mind just in case you're going and you're checking and it doesn't like match up in stores. I have another cardigan option. This is from Time and True. It is their boyfriend cardigan. It retails for $17.98 and comes in sizes extra small to 3XL. I like the puff sleeves on it and the fact that it looks like it's knitted. I feel like it just gives it some really nice details. I got the black one, but they do have it in other colors. They have it in gray, baby blue, green, and then white. I paired this with these No Boundaries black skinny jeans. They retail for $11.98 at Walmart, and they do have some other options. So they have a light wash, which I like the light wash. I always prefer light wash over anything else. Then there's the medium wash and the dark wash. Walmart right now has in these Time and True media tops with puff sleeves. They're $14.98 and they come in sizes extra small to 3XL. They have different colors. I went with the green and with the white. I feel like this is another item where it's like you can dress it up or you can dress it down if you want to. And it does have those puffy sleeves. I know not everybody's into that, so keep that in mind. When I went to Walmart, I was with my sister. She got this and I was like, please let me share it in my haul. So she got this Jack Skellington backpack. It is very similar to Loungefly bags, which are $90. This one was $29.97. I love the charm on the zipper. It is 0. And they have a bunch of other backpacks. So they have Wicked, which is super popular, Hello Kitty, Pikachu, SpongeBob, Stranger Things, Harry Potter, Wednesday from the Addams Family, Winnie the Pooh. So many cute little backpacks that are very similar to Loungefly backpacks, except a fraction of the cost. And I do think that $29.97 is still a little bit on the higher end, but you're getting licensed characters, and again, they're supposed to be similar to Loungefly backpacks. I love this one, and it glows in the dark.
As I was filming this video, this got delivered. So it is this jack-o'-lantern nutcracker. It's all white, so you can paint right on top of it. It is 6 feet tall. So Walmart had these nutcrackers that went viral a couple of years ago, and they're like a hard plastic. They can be used inside and outside. A lot of people were painting over them. Now you can just buy it already white. There are some little lights that light up, and you can put this on just the light mode, or you can do it with the lights and the music, and this is the music it plays. I've always wanted a giant jack-o'-lantern nutcracker. I've DIY'd ones in the past before using Dollar Tree products, so I'm excited to have this one. I don't know what color I'm going to paint it. Let me know what you think I should paint it down in the comments below. I see this selling out quickly because the nutcrackers, they flew off the shelf. So if you can and you want these, I say get them while they're still available.
Before we go, I have just a few things I want to share with you guys for children. Right now they're getting in the kids Halloween pajamas with the licensed characters. These all glow in the dark, but I wanted to share this with you guys because they got Care Bears. Care Bear Halloween pajamas. This reminds me of growing up, so I got this one for Noel. And then Ghostbusters. I don't see Ghostbusters too often in Walmart for Halloween pajamas, so I got this one for Cooper. And again, they glow in the dark. And then if you love the Nightmare Before Christmas like I do, they get a bunch of Nightmare Before Christmas kids clothing in. So I found this one for Cooper. It is this jogger set, so it has the sweater, the jogger. This retailed for $15.98, and I really like the back of the sweater. And then I just got this really cute pumpkin dress for Noel. Like, I definitely want to put her in this and take some pictures of her in the pumpkin patch. How much was this? Where's the tag on this thing? I don't know. I'm gonna have to put it on the screen here. So that's it for these Walmart clothing finds. This is the first video I've ever done with just Walmart clothing. I still plan on doing my Dollar Tree videos, but I'm incorporating more Walmart on this channel because Dollar Tree and the price changes. It's just, I just can't get behind only Dollar Tree anymore. Also, I will have like a Dollar Tree organizing video soon, and then my Dollar Tree Halloween DIY video coming out, and that's why I'm decorated for Halloween right now, because I'm working on that. Because you got to put out the holiday stuff early. It takes time for people to craft and collect those supplies, so usually I have to do it earlier. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up. My channel is not doing so hot right now, so giving it a thumbs up is really going to help it out. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.